Hello everyone, Martin here, the author of WP MultiTool. In this demo, I want to show you two of the models. One of them is Quick Updater, this one here, and the other one is a new model that was released just now in the recent version, Plugin Performance Score. So to show them, let's go to Plugins, and the performance shows here. So what it does is it adds this new column called performance, and it loads the data from my other website, makewpfast.com, which is a performance lab where I benchmark all the plugins that are available in WordPress org and check how much they weigh, how many queries they load, and based on that calculate the score. The other plugin is for uploading plugins with zips. So normally, if you have a plugin with a zip, which you purchase from someone, or download it from somewhere, you would need to go to Add Plugin, then Upload Plugin, and then choose File to install, which takes 3 clicks. With my plugin, WP MultiTool installed, you can just do the following. I have a zip here, and I can just drag and drop it here. It just loads for a couple of seconds, and we have it here. So I just need to still activate, but no, that takes 2 clicks and not 4, and you don't ever leave this screen. It works also for updates, so if I did it again or I had the new version, I could just do the same thing and it will auto-update. So that's one of the 14 models of the WP MultiTool. Most of them are for performance, but these two are just giving control back to WordPress admins. So hope you liked it, and if you want to know more, go to wpmultitool.com and read about the plugin. Thanks.